Action!
While Mary and Joseph were still in Bethlehem, the time came for Mary to have a baby. But the town was crowded with people who were to go. Until finally, an innkeeper offered to let them stay in the only space he had left. The stable, where the animals were kept.
So, palakad-diretso na kayo, pa-exit na kayo. Kasi parang ini-offer nung
Alright!
Yan.
Ganyan level. Okay, ready? Nativity scene! Action!
Star! Takbo ang star! Takbo! Star, please move. Yan.
Lahat kayo mag-ano, point finger.
Turo ba? Lahat turo.
Just walking, please.
Turo.
Stop na yan.
Two had seen the star and they were afraid. Then suddenly, an angel of the Lord appeared in the night sky and
Lapit
told
ba, Brad?
them not
Lapit,
to
brother.
be afraid. That the
Ayos,
good news had
ayos.
come for all people.
Alright.
Ano? Yan na yung kanta.
Please.
Wise men from the east, whom King Herod had sent to follow the star. They had traveled from distant land all the way to Bethlehem to find, if the prophecy was true, that one had been born who would become a great ruler.
Yeah, that's nice. Pwede na ba yan? Mataas pa.
Sige. Hindi? Oo, pasok naman. Hindi parang nakapal.
Mukhang ulitin, may tumaan.
God is